Bitcoin just closed the week bearishly. The weekly chart is threatening to lose the 200 moving average. A head and shoulder pattern is still active and the bear flag target hasn't been fully reached yet. Right now, the charts are telling us that Bitcoin could still be headed toward the low 50,000s. The question is, do the bulls still have enough strength left to stop it? Let's find out. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is about $61,700. If we take a look here at the weekly chart, we had a crazy bearish red candle here, and now we're starting to lose this 200 moving average at 2013. If we lose this 200 moving average, we will be going lower. Now, I've shown you guys this before. In the last bear market, we did go below the 200 moving average, as you can see here. So this now could be the beginning of us going lower here and getting below the 200 moving average before starting the bull market, possibly at the end of this year or next year. Now, if you take a look at the patterns, this isn't a bear flag. We already made more than half of the measure move, and this measure move does take us down to about 50,000. So it looks like we could be going to about 50k, maybe playing underneath here for a couple of months and then eventually breaking out of it. Maybe we could make a bigger inverted head and shoulder here, where maybe this is the left shoulder, maybe we could create a head or right shoulder, and then from there we're out of here. But again, that could take until the end of the year, and ultimately we are in a bigger head and shoulder here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this I have it targeting about 30k. So anywhere between 30k and 50k are the prices that I'm seeing the charts are giving us. Let's hope that we only go as low as 50k. If we take a look at the daily time frame, we see that 2 days ago we did get a rally all the way up to about 64k, but then we had yesterday a bearish candle. Today we have another bearish candle. So this looks to me kind of like we're creating another bear flag where we're going sideways here. Now we're far away from the 21 moving average. We could go up to the 21 moving average that's currently at 69,872, but we lost strength after we went up to 64k. So right now this is looking like maybe we could do another bear flag, go sideways, wait for the 21 moving average to touch price, and then from there possibly come down. And if that's the case, the measure move could take us down to about 46k. Last episode I was telling you guys how we could go down to 45k. So this isn't the run here. I'm going to leave this bear flag. Let's see if it ends up getting filled out. Hopefully we could spike up and get a relief rally at least to the 21 moving average, but if not, I see this happening. The stochastics are low enough that maybe we could continue going up, but we could also roll over here. And then one thing that I'm not liking is the 22-hour chart. The stochastics are toppy. So this is kind of showing me that even though the stochastics are low on the daily, we're probably going to either roll over or just go sideways here until this 22-hour stochastics RSI could reset. We take a look at the 8-hour time frame. We see that the stochastics also toppy, and look, we got rejected off of this 21 moving average. This is bearish. The only thing that could save us is if this is a double bottom here, and then maybe we can make it back up and at least go to this 50 moving average at 60,983. 4-hour time frame, we got barely above the 21 moving average just to lose it. We did close here tweezer bottoms. That's a red candle, then a green candle, but we haven't been able to pierce this 21 moving average yet. Again, maybe a possible double bottom, but this is also kind of looking to me like a bear flag. The stochastics are low enough. Let's see if we get above the 21, but that's not going to be enough. We would actually have to get above this 50 moving average with strength to show some type of bullishness, but ultimately we need to get back above this 200 moving average at 74k in order to really get more bullish for Bitcoin. If not, we could easily fall down. This could just be a helpless relief rally. On the 1-hour time frame, stochastics are starting to roll over. We're getting a rounded top here. You guys know that the rounded tops don't pay the bills. We're losing the 21 moving average again. Hopefully a double bottom bounce here could happen. If not, I'm seeing more downside. And on the 15-minute time frame, stochastics are low. We're coming off of this bearish divergence here on the stochastics RSI, but now this is kind of looking to me like some type of a head and shoulder pattern. You guys take a look here, left shoulder, head. If we cannot make it above this 50 and 21 moving average, that could be a right shoulder right there, and then this could take us down to approximately 60,800 around there. So we'll probably lose another $1,000 if we cannot get above this 50 and this 21 moving average. So right now, guys, overall, if we do get a move up, it's possibly towards this 21 moving average. There's going to be a lot of resistance. I'm liking this point of control here, this red line that's pretty much at 66, 67,000. I can see us rolling over from there. But if we lose 60k, we're probably going to get down to 59k and possibly end up filling out the rest of this measured move for this bear flag and possibly taking us down to about 50, 51k ultimate. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the move. moves. Catch you on the next chart.